Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have for you protection for your Pixel 6a. I don't care how much you pay for a phone, whether it be $449 or $1,000. You need to protect your investment. So I picked up this Spigen Liquid Air case for the Pixel 6a. We're going to see how that works out. I do a Spigen every now and again. They do these really easy open cases here. Easy open containers for your cases. And they're earth friendly, recyclable kind of stuff. This is a slim case, and I'm not for the bulk. So if you're looking for something a little thicker, this is probably not the way to go. You see all the flexibility here? I can bend it in half. So this is, it's thicker than TPU, but it's not as thick as I'm gonna use it on a construction site. All right, but it snaps in quite easy. We got our tempered glass on there, and it fits in there just fine. We don't have any buttons that are just buttons. They're part of the case. They're nice and clicky, but they're still part of the case, not individual buttons. We have a nice little lip all the way around the phone. If you'll see in my unboxing video, you'll check that out. I'll plug it here. I put a camera protector on there, and it's still deep down in there, so your camera protection is going to be phenomenal. I think this is going to be a great case pickup. I got it for $14.99 with 5% off. So if you get that order in early, you might get the same deal I get. If not, Amazon changed the prices. I can't be accountable for something way after the fact. We have cutouts on the bottom for our speakers and our USB Type-C charging port. A hole on top for our microphone. Pretty simple case. A little bit of branding here on the side. And I will play one of my little YouTube videos for you. Turn that all the way up so you get the full throttle. Speakers on this. Hey, it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I'm going to cover for you some of my most... I have to say that I'm kind of impressed by the speakers on this phone, even though I haven't even started to do impressions or a review on it, because I haven't had it a whole day yet, or hadn't had it out of the box a day. But you heard how loud that was. That's with the case on. So far, so good. That's all I'm going to say about that. I do like that it's a little pattern back here, so it gives you a little more grip. It's not going to slip out your hands and all that good stuff. And it's textured across the edges, so that's going to give you some grip too. I ain't going to hold you long, just a case video. Some protection for your Google Pixel 6a. And that's all I got to say about that. If you enjoyed your time here, please click the like button. If you've liked multiple videos on this channel, you might want to consider subscribing. Subscriptions are free. Memberships cost, and memberships have privileges. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money. And if I've helped you in any way, shape, or form, consider leaving a super thanks and getting a specialized custom comment that you can leave below. I'll catch you on the next video. Holla!